Hello, 7th grade parents and students. Today is Tuesday, August 13th. Just want to give you a quick recap on what we accomplished today in class. The first thing I want to talk about, and I hate to put history in the back seat, to put it in second place, but something pretty important, the handbook agreement forms. This is your understanding that you've read, that you at least agree to the handbook. There are some changes from previous years. Those are due to your homeroom teacher by Thursday, so please get those in your homeroom teacher by Thursday, signed, filled out completely. If they're not here by Thursday, then you'll be headed to the office calling mom or dad to please get that paper. It's that important. Okay, secondly, in history class, we accomplished, let's go to the Google Classroom, we accomplished the Whiskey Rebellion and life under Jefferson's presidency, President Thomas Jefferson. So when you look at this assignment and you click on the classwork, you can see our instructions here. It says step 1, step 2, step 3. We literally follow this format in class. It tells you what to call it in your class notes. Call this section review, call this section class notes. Anything you'll ever need to do these assignments in class are listed below. So here are the different links, 2 different videos, a set of class notes, the textbook, so you never will need to take the textbook home. But you should be pretty comfortable with the Whiskey Rebellion. This is the American colonist protest, one of their first protests to Washington, and this taxing, they're not with it, they're not for it. That's our Whiskey Rebellion. And then the second thing was life under President Jefferson. Remember, he wanted to keep things small. He wanted to keep things simple. Remember, kids, keep it simple, stupid. And then all of a sudden, he goes out and buys the Louisiana Purchase and doubles the size of the country. We now kind of know why he did it, but it kind of goes against everything he stood for up to that point. So hopefully you're comfortable with that. Again, if you're not, as always, ask questions. I love questions. Ask. Let's get it clarified before we take the quiz on Friday. Side note, quiz on Friday. That's it. Don't forget this handbook agreement form by Thursday, and I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you on Wednesday.